Hey, it's Lon here. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the Smartxchoices 12-foot double sliding barn door hardware kit that you see right behind me. All right, let's open this up. Well, I checked all the pieces and it does appear that I have all the pieces to get started, so that's great. This barn door kit fits openings from 36 inches to 40 inches wide. It can hold up to 220 pounds because it's made of carbon steel. The kit, I'm going to go over step by step with you, comes with everything you need except for the tools, and the doors are sold separately. It comes with 4-piece 3-foot rails that you connect together to equal your 12-foot rail. It has door stoppers for the ends and for the center. It comes with the pieces that connect it to the door with the rollers on top. And it comes with these floor guides for on the bottom to keep the doors from swaying. All the bolts, washers, and spacers are also included. All right, this is a great looking hardware kit. As you can see here, project came out looking spectacular in my opinion. And for those of you that are interested, I do have an install video to show you step by step how to put it all together, along with another video showing you how to make your own barn doors if you choose to go that route. Thank you and have a great day.